guys, good evening. I will cook for dinner for tonight. And ang una na panitan, my favorite food is gulay. Makulay ang ating mundo. And then, my quinoa. My God, sa pags. My buwad. Later, I will cook. Unan, guys. Oh my God, that's a pot. Thank you so much for watching, baboos. Okay, ang gulay. Kaya na dito.